Hey, I'm Corbin. I'm 19, been on the program for almost a year now, part of the 2023 challenge, and I've loved the whole journey. I can't really explain what the transformation means to me other than, I guess, it's just been this huge confidence booster. I went from wearing hoodies and oversized t-shirts and, scared to take my shirt off to, wearing tank tops pretty much whenever I can. I've loved every part of the program, even on days where I didn't feel like doing anything. I felt exhausted, sore. I was like, I gotta keep going, gotta stick with it, and I'm glad I did. Super happy with the results so far, and I can't wait to see what next year's results are gonna be. Thanks, Riley.
Corbin is a teenager on my program, and Corbin's transformation is obviously very incredible. Like if you just look at his before and after, he's gone from skinny with poor posture, all these things were accentuating his pectus. He's kind of like, when he booked the call and I see his video that he sends to me before I meet him to, determine the strategy for him to start this training. When I saw the video, I was very excited to coach Corbin immediately before we even had the call, because I could tell from the video how much I could help him. It's not like my training miraculously makes the client's chest flat. And so it's a person like Corbin in which his pectus isn't super deep, but his body composition being skinny and then the posture is making it look a lot worse. That's the kind of person that I'm like, wow, I can make your pectus like not even noticeable anymore. It's kind of like mine as well. Like mine wasn't super deep. My posture, my body composition made it look worse. And when I built this physique, no one notices it anymore. And I saw Corbin, I was like, he can do the exact same thing. Really excited about his result. This is in just 1 year. And obviously Corbin's going to continue exercising now, and he can continue to develop his physique. He gained like 10 kilos of muscle, like 20 pounds in that year. So imagine him in another year with like 20 more pounds muscle. Like his pectus already is hardly noticeable, but as he continues to develop his best physique, which is ultimately what we're trying to do with pectus training, is develop the best like lean muscular aesthetic physique and really focusing on key muscles kind of around the condition, which is what he's done. Like you can see his lower chest is now like separating from his ribs. He's getting abs. All those things is what masks it. And so his transformation is incredible. And I'm really proud of Corbin for how far he has come. And I really think he's achieved, when I say fixed pectus, my definition of that, which is building a great body and one that you're finally confident in, because he says he's confident now. He just always wants to be in like tank tops or shirtless, and he's not afraid of his body or embarrassed by his body anymore, which is so incredible. That's ultimately what, if you have a cosmetic case, the problem is you just don't like the way you look. And so if you can build a body you're confident in and you like, then the problem's fixed. And Corbin has definitely achieved that.